Welcome back to our video where we dive deep into the world of motorcycles and explore the fascinating choices available to riders. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the battle between hybrid and dual sport bikes. These two categories offer unique riding experiences and will compare the features, compatibilities, and advantages. So, let's jump right in. To start off, let's define what we mean by a hybrid bike. A hybrid motorcycle combines elements of both street bikes and dirt bikes, creating a versatile machine that can handle a variety of terrains. With their comfortable seating position and emphasis on road performance, hybrids are perfect for riders who want a blend of commuting convenience and occasional off-road adventures. On the other hand, we have dual sports bikes. These motorcycles are specifically designed for riders who crave off-road excitement without sacrificing on-road capabilities. Dual sport bikes are engineered to handle rough terrain, featuring long travel suspension, knobby tires, and lightweight frames. They are known for their agility, durability, and versatility across various surfaces. When it comes to performance on paved roads, hybrid bikes excel. They typically have larger engines, smooth tires, and more comfortable riding positions. This combination translates to better acceleration, higher top speeds, and increased stability on highways and city streets. Hybrids are perfect for riders who primarily use their motorcycles for commuting or long-distance touring. However, when the pavement ends and the adventure begins, dual sport bikes showcase their true potential. With their rugged construction, long travel suspension, and off-road oriented tires, dual sport motorcycles conquer dirt, gravel, and uneven terrains with ease. They offer exceptional ground clearance and superior maneuverability, making them perfect for off-road enthusiasts who love exploring nature's hidden trails. Comfort is an important factor to consider, especially during long rides. Hybrid bikes prioritize rider comfort with their relaxed seating positions, plush seats, and vibration-reducing technologies. They provide a smooth and enjoyable experience, ideal for riders who prioritize long-distance comfort. Dual sport bikes, however, prioritize off-road capabilities and ruggedness over comfort. Their seating positions tend to be more upright and aggressive, allowing for better control and weight distribution when tackling challenging terrain. While not as comfortable on long highway rides, dual sport bikes make up for it with their versatility in different riding conditions. Hybrid bikes, with their street-oriented design, often feature luggage storage options, built-in entertainment systems, and ample space for carrying gears. They are well suited for riders who need a practical and functional motorcycle for daily commuting or long tours with plenty of luggage. Dual sports bikes, on the other hand, excel in off-road versatility. They can be easily modified with accessories such as racks, panniers, and additional lighting to carry camping equipment or other essentials for wilderness exploration. Dual sport motorcycles thrive in an environment where hybrid bikes would struggle, giving riders the freedom to explore remote and challenging terrains. Overall, hybrid bikes offer a smooth and comfortable ride on paved roads, making them ideal for commuters and long-distance riders. On the other hand, dual sport bikes excel in off-road adventures, offering agility, durability, and the ability to conquer various terrains. Remember, the choice between a hybrid and a dual sport bike ultimately depends on your preferences, riding style, and the type of adventures you seek. Whichever option you choose, both categories promises thrilling experiences and the freedom to explore the world on two wheels. We hope this information has provided you with valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. Thank you for joining us and happy riding!